Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we're going to be making some garlic parmesan roasted broccoli. Delish. So we're going to jump right in and talk a little bit about it. I have 2 pounds of broccoli, large florets. I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 6 cloves I think it was 6 cloves of garlic, teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of pepper, 1/3 cup of Parmesan. So very, very simple. And I'm going to take my olive oil and just mix it in with our salt and pepper and garlic. It's kind of important that you do this because what's going to happen if you just pour the salt on the broccoli, what happens is it gets caught in the florets and doesn't get evenly distributed. So I'm going to put this on. Add our Parmesan. And once again, our bowl is too small to mix, but we'll do the best we can. One of these days I'm going to invest in a bigger bowl, but we're going to give this a really, really nice toss. Like I said, don't make a mess. Oops. Stuff like that happens all day in the kitchen with me, but I guess that's normal. Happens to everybody. Anyway, once this is mixed really, really well, what we're going to do is I have a sheet pan lined with parchment paper. The parchment paper just to make my life easier when I clean up. If you don't have parchment paper, don't stress. Put this out. And as I suspected, a lot of my Parmesan is sitting at the bottom of my bowl. You can take a shot of that if you want. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to sprinkle that on top of my broccoli. I kind of expected that to happen, but... And we're going to stick this in a 400-degree oven. And I gave up guessing how long things take. So I'll see you when it's done. Take care. So our broccoli with garlic and Parmesan was in the oven for right about 35 minutes, and it's definitely done. You can tell that it's scribbling a little bit. I actually did taste it, and it tastes great, but I'm gonna put it on a plate, and I will show you what it looks like. So I'll see you in a couple minutes. So I put our broccoli on a plate, and I'm gonna just take a taste. Really, really, really good. The Parmesan mixed with the garlic gives it a great flavor. I always love roasted broccoli, but just this with the, like I said, with the Parmesan and garlic, just amazing. Really, really good recipe. It's vegetarian and gluten-free. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. That would help me out a lot. And I will see you in the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.